Alright, hi traders. Today is 3rd of August 2020. Live trading for Mini S&P Futures 500 for September 2020 contract. So in this video, I'll show you how I do the trading for Mini S&P during US session. So we have just received one buy call signal, which is to go long at to go long at 3288.75, and targeted TP is about 8 points, which is about 32 ticks, so it was a good one if hit. Alright, so we are still waiting for our entry, so to order to be filled. So it's gonna to take maybe another few more minutes for the market to react towards our targeted price level. Okay, we'll pause for a while and resume later on once there's indication that the market already filled and move towards the higher side. Alright, so let's resume back again. So at this moment our order have just been filled, so we have entered to the market, and now we are looking towards the expected price level of 3300, but our TP is 96 or maybe beyond that. So for now, very good, we have 112 US dollar in profit. So let's wait. The TP targeted price level already been placed at 32.96, and now still waiting. Alright, so it was a good one. We just entered to the market a while ago, and yeah, now we're waiting for the a bit of consolidation. Now we're waiting for the higher side of the price movement. So we are expected to have to see the market to reach about 3300 level. So let's wait and see. Hopefully things will go accordingly based from our expectation. Oh, it was a good one. Everything fast now. 200 US dollar in profit. Looks good, looks good. Everything looks good. $212, keep increasing. Alright, so I think it's quite healthy at this moment. So hopefully there's no pullback, and we have a high of 237 and 50 cent dollar in profit. It was a very good move. Okay, looks good. I'm still waiting. It's not far from our targeted price level. Okay, we have another call for entry. So this one mainly from crude oil. Okay, looks good. Okay guys, we'll pause this video for a while and resume later on once the price almost hit the TP area. Okay, as you can see now, we have a slight pullback. It's a slight pullback only, so should be fine. Also another market showing bullish for today, like Dow Jones and also the crude oil as well. So I'm quite positive that the market will reach the level of 3300, which is a bit higher from this level, yeah, about this area. So we'll see on in the next few minutes for sure. As for now, I'm waiting for it to go bullish towards 96 price level. Okay, we'll pause this video for a while and resume later on once there is big movement on the market. Alright, traders resume back again. So a bit sideways movement can be seen at this moment since the last 1 hour. You can see the market haven't reached on the high side. Just now have a good profit of about 237.50 dollar per contract size, but at this moment the market have dropped around our entry point. So still waiting. Once it break through, then we might go for the TP targeted price level, which is at 96.3296. So it should be 8 points of 400, about 400 US dollar in profit. So let's wait. Hopefully things will get better in the next 15 to 30 minutes. Still uncertainty at this moment because you can see there's a strong sideways movement. Market did consolidate after a good bullish during the beginning of US session. So now after the lunchtime, we'll see whether there's a good volume to push the price even higher. So let's wait. I will pause this video and resume once the price hit the recent high, which is 93.50, about this level. Hopefully the price will not reverse back further down. Alright traders, we resume back again. So far looks good. So as you can see now, it start to bullish again. So we're expecting for the market to have a very strong bullish. We 187 US dollar in profit, 200. So I need to advise as well for other traders, which is that profit good enough. Which is can exit nicely. I also will exit my positions. Maybe not much. Maybe at 200. Alright, good. So I have closed my position and we have a profit of 475. Market didn't seems good because there's a sideways move, and now really not sure what actually happened. But as for our trade, we managed to exit with profit, so it was a good one. 175 US dollar for one contract, size for mini S&P futures 500 September contract 2020. Alright guys, there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it to join my live Telegram channel. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.